Hey traders, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made over $200 short selling the BAL USDT futures contracts on the Binance Futures market. Now, before we get started, I'm going to let you in on my little disclaimer, which is there is absolutely no trading system that can produce 100% win rate on every trade you take. So you have to simply accept losses as part of the online trading business. Look, every trader will experience losses. I cannot completely avoid it, you cannot completely avoid it, and we cannot completely avoid it. In fact, a good trader is a good loser. And the trick of being a good trader is to always cut your losses at a certain amount of dollars. That means understanding the logical price to sell any cryptocurrency for a loss if the current price action of the cryptocurrency continues to down below your entry price. So you have to control your losing trades to minimize losses and allow your winning trades to maximize profits. For example, if I take a trade and all of a sudden the current price action of the cryptocurrency continues to down below my entry price, I'll take the loss and move on to the next trade. With that, let's jump right into how I shorted the BAL USDT futures contract with the trend scraper technique. Keep watching. The first step of the trend scraper technique is to identify the most current bearish trend section of the BAL USDT futures contract on a candlestick price chart. And here's how to get it right from the start. First, we have to trace the movement of the price action from the lowest price of the bearish trend to the highest price of the red candlestick bearish trend starter with the price range tool. Now, place the price range tool on the lowest price of the bearish trend, which is $14,739, and drag it up to the highest price of the red candlestick bearish trend starter. So in total, you can see the most current bearish trend section of the BAL USDT futures contract. It's approximately 45%, which is well under the standard target of a 60% bearish trend section. Okay, now that we've identified the most current bearish trend section of the BAL USDT futures contracts on the candlestick price chart, it's time to plan out my trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on the candlestick price chart data of the BAL USDT futures contract. For example, let's mark out my trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on a 4-hour candlestick price chart data of the BAL USDT futures contract, step by step. So step 1, for me to get my entry price, I had to use the price range tool to measure 15% starting from the highest price of the red candlestick bearish trend starter, and then I used the blue horizontal line tool to indicate my entry price, which is $18,686. Step 2, for me to get my stop loss price, I had to measure 9%, and then I used the red horizontal line tool to indicate my stop loss price, which is $19,717. Step 3, for me to get my take profit price at a 2-to-1 profit loss ratio, I had to measure 30%, and then I used the white horizontal line tool to indicate my take profit price, which is $16,533. Step 4, for me to get my safety price, I had to measure 22%, and then I used the purple horizontal line tool to indicate my safety price, which is $17,620. Finally, it's time to monitor the volatility of price action on the most current bearish trend section of the BAL USDT futures contract. I was actually very selective before clicking the sell short button because most cryptocurrency price action can be very volatile and manipulative when they approach the 15% entry price. I actually shorted the BAL USDT futures contract with $1,000 worth of trading capital and with a 1-to-1 leverage, and I patiently waited to close the contract at the 14.827 price level. Okay, let's check out how much money I made from this particular trade. Now place the price range to on my entry price, which is $18,686, and drag it down to my exit price, which is $14,827. And that's exactly 26% profit. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart, my profit is approximately 26% of my trading capital. That means a 26% of $1,000 will be approximately $260 worth of absolute profit. But on the other hand, what if the price action only touched my entry price before it decided to bounce back up to the stop loss price? That means I'll lose exactly 5.5% of my trading capital, which is approximately $55. So as you can see, my profit is approximately 5 times my expected loss. And now is exactly how I shorted the BAL USDT futures contract on the Binance Futures market. Leave a comment below if you found value from watching this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.